Do you want to feel increased power from your touring motorcycle every time you roll on the throttle? Well, you're in luck. Welcome to the Harley-Davidson Garage. I'm Frankie, and today I'm going to walk you through this Screamin' Eagle Stage 3 kit that takes your M8 engine from 117 cubic inches to 122 cubic inches. This street compliant Stage 3 performance kit has been designed and tested as a system by the performance experts at Harley-Davidson. It delivers up to 31% more horsepower and 18% more torque compared to the original equipment engine configuration. The kit includes 4.155-inch big bore bolt-on cylinders, forged 10.9-to-1 high compression pistons and rings, an SE8 511 camshaft, high capacity tappets, and a Stage 3 timing cover medallion. It also includes multi-layer coated head gaskets, cylinder base, and cam cover gaskets, as well as most necessary gaskets and seals. Check the website to make sure this Screamin' Eagle Stage 3 kit fits your touring motorcycle. All models require an ECM calibration with a Screamin' Eagle Pro Street Tuner, which is sold separately for proper installation. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's all for now. I'm Frankie, and I'll catch you next time.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun content.